Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to change the writing direction in Photoshop. Create a new layer, text. Now see this horizontal type tool and right click mouse, type vertical type. Okay. Another way to change directions. Go to paragraph. Select paragraph and show this left and right option. This time, do not showing this left and right direction options. This time this sense direction is very simple, left right, showing left right left. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.